Welcome back, guys. CryptoFolite channel. Today we'd like to talk about Verasity, VRA, targets, updates with my customer Krasar. Let's dive in. Guys, yesterday I bought Supra. Maybe today can be the good time to buy VRA. I will skip this talking because I totally don't care about this one. Technically, we can go to 5 cents 24. It can be the more than okay. Top of the top for this cycle, like 5,000% gains, but it's the most positive case scenario. It's a 5 cents 24. So this is the top of the top, personally, by my personal opinion, right? And it's not necessary, so we will hit this target because of supply. I'm gonna explain you everything. This is the same chart what I shared with you before. 27 block playing out pretty good one. So here it was a top middle term target, local one, because it's since March 2021. Global chart, guys, looks like this one, April 19. Not all tokens and not every single token hit the new all-time high, guys, all the time. 5 cents is going to be just a mind-blowing result for VRA. Take a look, guys. Top support, drop, 27 block, like accumulation, right? And now local one, road can be once again to test yearly open. So here it's a 0.2037. We already tested in May, reject. I don't know even what happened at that time. What is this candle? How is it even possible, guys? All right, so let's go to 1 hour time frame. How is it even possible? Why we touch the top and dump, not 80% dump. No, how we dump 400% down. And yes, I understand what I'm talking about, guys, because people count like usual. It's a big mistake. People count, oh, take a look, it's not a big deal. We just dump it 80%. 80% bounce and we recover back. No. So if you hop in here at 0.204 and we dump 80% down, just recover back at a break even, bro, you need to, token should pump 400%. So that's kind of magic, right? And this kind of big mistake of influencer who shield you, oh, just another deep, buy the deep. Guys, don't be trapped, don't be fooled with all of this fancy stuff around the crypto space. All right, so sooner or later, anyway, I believe it's a first trouble area, 400% profit, 0.2037. So this is it. Next zones, it's out of 27 block, 18 level by FIB. Next step is 0 and move on. 339, 442, 524. A lot of people will still wait the, I don't know, 50 cents, $1 and all of this random, absolutely, guys, random numbers. I want to show you the, by the way, the data. Guys, it's just insane circular supply, 78, almost 79 billion. So to hit $1, 79 billion market capitalization should be for this token. So just think about it. What is good? It's FDV and market capitalization almost equal. So it's good. I'll recommend you check the token sale. Now the price is 0.2018. Token sale was 0.2075. So we are down from that token sale like 76%. It's good. Why? Because usually if the market makers still got a plan to put the price higher for this token, and I know the community pretty strong for Verasity, right? They can put the price much higher, right, over the ICO rounds. So ICO round in zone 18. I'm not sure if somebody still have some interest in Verasity, but yes, they can pump this token. June, we pump it now like 30%. Nice one. Nice. So here it was like 80%. Here was like 176% pump. But mostly it's red. Why it's red? Because somebody just dumped the price because somebody owned a huge supply, right? And just in case, guys, take a look. This is a global chart. Do you believe in 10 cents, for example? So if you believe in 10 cents, it should be like 7,000% gains. 7,000, even more. Here from that low, like 9,000. Maybe guys, we can't know. Maybe this is this time it's gonna be the one of the 1, 2, 3 drives pattern, and we're gonna hit the 10,000%. But let's go to the calculator, guys. So this is the current circulation supply, current price, market capitalization 142 million. It's kind of normal one. It's a low cap. We can call it low cap, right? 1 cent, just 1 cent, guys. 1 cent, we have to cut 788 million, 2 cents, 1.5 billion, 5 cents. This is my conservative price target, not a conservative one, it's the most positive. It's around 4 billion market capitalization for a Verasity. And 10 cents, if you believe in it, it's 7.8, so around 8 billion market cap. Is it possible? Yes. Dog with hat hit 9 billion. Why VRA can't? Of course it can, but we can't know the future. That's why we have to build the logic and the zones where to in, when to out. Market capitalization at the top here was $500 million. So just ask yourself why in the highest point of the price, market capitalization was $500 million, why we now have to go to 4 billion market cap, or even, I don't know, or 10. So this is the highest point of the market cap, and here around 5 cents the capitalization will be around 4 billion. So just guys, build a realistic targets. I want to show you guys with indicator set, by the way, what's going on now with this token, market mood and direction. Technically, guys, technically, whales accumulate, but they always looks like a pump and dump. So here, accumulation, 300% drop. Here's the accumulation from the bottom, for example, in average 200% drop. Here's another one, accumulation. We are now 83% pump. It was like 300. Will we see another dump? It's hard to say. So the low was like here in May 19. And where's the COVID dump? COVID dump was here in March. All right, so let's mark the COVID dump low. Why we have to drop now to sweep the COVID dump? I don't know, guys, but it's possible. For example, the algorithm already swept this low. Of course, it's capitulation and disbelief. So now, at least now, it's more than okay. Time accumulates the VRA if you believe in this project. Monthly time frames. Here we lay down at the bottom on direction, no signals to buy yet, and capitulation is good time for accumulation. Technically, also here we can 1 cent 84. It can be the full fill of the gap, and here's what I told you. Around 4 cents 56 or the full fill of monthly gap, it can be the top of this token for this run. Possible. Money power, trade on, guys. Money inflow, pumps. Let's check on the weekly time frame. Here. Money inflow, 300% pump, drop. Money outflow. Now MACD bullish divergency, no money inflow. It's kind of scary. And it's kind of bad. At least we got a signal to sell, buy back. So it would be good to see some performance. And of course, with utility, without utility, just because market maker can drive the market, right? They can put the price to here to the take profit line at 0.2061. 100% profit. You just build a plan, withdraw initial deposit, forgot about this token, await the new high. Pretty simple, guys. So take a look there. Take profit 0.2061, exit line 0.2069. It's on the weekly. On the monthly, there is no data yet. Daily here. Magic, right? So how the algorithm works, right? So take a look. We bounce from the buy line, go to test the yearly open, crash it down, test the buy line again and bounce. Magic. Now the take profit on the daily, it's 0.2022. We can see even this move. by the way. But I wish to see, of course, something like this one and going higher to the weekly take profit line. So guys, all targets basically relevant until the stock can trade on centralized exchanges, because we need liquidity. But don't build the crazy expectations. Guys, if you would like to trade with my customer Chris, what I showed on this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.